tablespoon of chia seeds with a small amount of water and set it aside to soak while I cook the oats. Chia seeds are full of protein, omega-3, dietary fiber, and are high in antioxidants. Now add 2/3 of a cup of oats to 1 cup of water. Once you've done that, stir in 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Now take a ripe banana and slice it all the way across. Throw it in with the oatmeal and mix it up a bit. Cook the oats on a medium heat for about 10 to 12 minutes. By this time, your kitchen will be filled with a sweet, cinnamony aroma. Take the chia seeds you set aside earlier and pour them into the oatmeal. Add and mix in a tablespoon of flax seeds as well. Now for the toppings. I chose hemp hearts, pumpkin seeds, dried cranberries, and walnuts. I started first by sprinkling on the hemp hearts. Next I scattered on the pumpkin seeds, the dried cranberries, and the walnuts. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you try this recipe and how you liked it. Feel free to subscribe and check out my other videos.